Here's everything you need to know about Soft99's Mirror Shine Wax. Forget everything you know about waxing. Mirror Shine is a revolutionary formula that reduces application time to a minimum and requires no effort and guarantees top results. Where to start? By choosing the right version of the product. Match the dark or light version depending on the color of your paintwork. If in doubt, use our guide at waxes.soft99.eu. After removing the plastic lid, you will notice the first difference from regular Soft99 waxes. Instead of the included sponge pad, there is a soft microfiber cloth. Also, you can rediscover waxing anew. How to put it to work? It's simple. Fold the microfiber and take a small amount of wax, just enough so that the layer applied to the paintwork is almost invisible. This way, one can is enough for up to 20 applications. When applying with a microfiber applicator, you will notice that the wax spreads much faster. The process itself does not require as much precision as with sponge applicators, and working in nooks and crannies or on complex-shaped parts has become much easier. How quickly does Mirror Shine bond to the paint? Immediately. All you have to do is turn the microfiber over to the clean side and start polishing the residue straight away. There is no curing or bonding time to speak of here. This application process will save you a lot of time, making Mirror Shine the king of express application. We hope you liked our How to Apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.